Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. My name is Richard Lake, and yes, I'm on another bikepacking adventure. Although it's quite a light bikepacking setup today because there's no overnight stay involved. I'm doing the distance, doing all that climbing, and boy is there a lot of climbing. I will tell you right now though, 7 o'clock in the morning, should have left ages ago. I drove half an hour to where I was starting from, got there, put everything onto the bike, stuffed my pockets, and then realised I forgot my phone. Because it's not a short ride today, it's 400 kilometres and 4,000 metres of climbing at least in quite a fairly remotish area of the UK. I couldn't be going out on a 250-mile bike ride without a way of getting in touch with anyone should I need to. When you're thinking of remote, you're probably thinking of Wales or Highlands of Scotland, or perhaps even Northumberland. No, I'm talking about the Lincolnshire Wolds. Not many places to eat, drink, and the route is predominantly away from all the towns and people. It's about 200 kilometres away is a shop before going to the nighttime period. It closes at 9 o'clock. I've got to get 280 kilometres in about 14 hours. Normally, that'll probably be just doable if it was flat and I was working hard, but this is not flat, certainly not flat. I will be working hard, so wish me luck. So if you're not from Lincolnshire, or even if you are from Lincolnshire, you're probably wondering how the hell am I getting 4,000 metres of climbing in this? Well, let's just say it's a very windy route that takes in lots of the big climbs Lincolnshire has to offer, and as you can probably tell as well, it is bloody windy. That day in the next few miles is going to be heading towards the village of Swallow, picking up the A46. Be on there for about a mile and a half. Still quiet, still early. After that, all quiet country lanes until this evening. Back on a few main roads for a little while, but by then the roads will be virtually empty. I also love reading all the comments you put on my video, so if you want to get involved down below, I've got a question for you. Have you ever ridden in Lincolnshire? Have you been to the Lincolnshire Wolds? It's a beautiful place to visit. Nice quiet country lanes, very little traffic, plenty of hills, and today plenty of sunshine. Done just past Bimbo, about 3 or 4 miles of the road, and it's been nothing but headwind. I was hoping it'd drop, but if anything the actual wind has increased more than anything at all, so it's not looking good. In fact, it looks like it's going to be windy, blustery all day long. Yes, I did just stop on Fanny Hands Lane. Heading down to Louth momentarily. Coming off the route slight to go to the shower garage because I'm not going to have enough food. Not enough proper food anyway. 20 to 1. First 100k done. Feeling good, feeling strong. Feeling a bit hungry. So I originally did this route back in lockdown. I think it was May 2020. Got in a bit of trouble for doing it, mainly because the overnight stay, I think. That's what made it into the pages of Road CC website. Even though that was the wise thing to do. Split the ride over 2 days. Luckily I didn't get in trouble or anything. So here I am 2 years later, doing it in a oner. That's the big plan. Days are a little bit longer than back then, and the weather was certainly warmer as well. Absolute freezing it was that day in the woods. Temperature was not much above 0. Really cold in the bivvy bag. That was the first time ever actually being in a bivvy bag. So I've actually just bumped into a few people doing everybody does skeg. Everybody does skeggies, that's right.
Everybody rides to skeg.
Everybody rides to skeg, yeah. It's 300 kilometre audax. So what distance have you done now then? Sorry, what's your name?
It's John.
John. Nice to meet you, John. So
186 so far.
186, oh okay, the lion's share, but now you got the wind.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's been headwind since Skegness really.
Yeah.
As soon as we turn around there. But
right, have a good ride.
thank you. And you.
So we're just coming up to Red Hill. Actually I thought I was going up it, but there you go, bonus. Time check, it is 3.5 hours from Hawksby Cross, where that garage is, open till 9 apparently. Now there's a little bit less than 70 kilometres, so it sounds like plenty of time. When I got the wind behind me, I've been averaging about 24 kilometres, otherwise it's been about between 19 and 22, so if you take a 20 average, 4 hours, yeah. Probably going to be about 9:30. We shall see though. Wow, that was getting windy. I don't know if you heard me. So we have 190 kilometres to go. Have a bit of progress update. Climbing. According to Garmin, this entire ride has 27 categorised climbs. Done 17. So that means in the next 190 kilometres, got 10 more to go. And most of them, if not all of them, are in the next 90. So really, just get for this next 90 out the Wolds. Job's a good one. Top of the Tetford climb. Going right, which means no Rookland. Hey! Oh, thank God for that. It's one less zapping climb I don't have to do. Managed to get to Hawksby Cross. My route goes quite close to Hawksby Cross a couple of occasions. Just wanted to make sure I got there. Got some to eat, so I enjoyed a nice rubbery chicken burger. Couple of wraps in back pocket, some chocolate bars, enjoyed some juice, and that's definitely got enough to just see me all the way through to the end now. very happy. So it's 8:10. And although I stopped there, like all today's stops, being very efficient, not mucking about. Right, so we've got about 2 hours of light left. Sunset's 25 to 10. So my guess is, given it's clear blue skies, it's going light at 10:10 still. Just been blown away by how many cows there are on that field. Look at that lot. Right, climb number 21. Just coming back to the A16, Ulsby Cross. This is where I find out whether the garage did actually close when Google said it would. Success, made the right choice. Shop was closed 9:20. I think if I kept going, I might have got there like in the nick of time, like 5 to, but it just wasn't worth the risk. So next stop, if I do need one, I should be okay now, will be in Horncastle. I think there's a 24-hour garage, again just off the route. We've got 2 full water bottles, or nearly full, plenty of food, chocolate bars, one of those pepperami things, chicken wrap. Should be all good. Nearly time to put the camera away. Well, somewhere down about 5 minutes ago. It's getting towards Alford, off in the distance there. Having just passed through Rigsby, back to turn right up Miles Cross Hill. Hill number 24. Anyway, I'm gonna stop. Some things to do. My arms up a bit. Even though there's like pockets of warm air and cold air, going downhill is a little bit chilly now. Can't wait to get all these hills over with and put my spare jersey on. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's been a little bit different to the last few videos in terms of bike packing and things like that. Very light bike packing, like I said at the very beginning of the video. It's just been about riding hard, lots of climbing, good distance, and it's just, yeah, just riding hard, getting myself ready for the TCR in a matter of weeks now. Oh, the last few things need to be sorted out. Anyway, that's something to talk about in a future video. For me, take care. Don't forget to give the channel a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this one, have a look around the channel. For me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.